streets of Macau, just walking through those Hortelaos.
Okay, this street is called Hortelaos. You can see the street sign. It's McDonald's, and then you can also see this right here, this little bridge right here. You can walk across this and go all the way to the border. So it goes, this is a border gate, and then that's the border over there. So we're gonna walk down our street. I think the last time I filmed it, I think I just filmed little parts of it, but today we're gonna walk down the entire thing and give you an idea of the whole street. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so Hortelaos. So let's kind of walk down this way a little bit. We're gonna try to show you the border as well before we go across. Then you can also take this right here, this elevator, or you can walk up and go up to that spot, and you can walk across to the border as well. There's a road right here that takes traffic out of this way, and then it's kind of congested right in here. Right over there is a border crossing, so people will walk into there. They're doing some construction in that space. There's a Daiso over there. Beautiful McDonald's right there as well. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna walk into Hortelaos. And the street is longer than I have filmed before, so I don't think I've fully filmed it from beginning to end. And these days I'm trying to film from beginning to end just to give people the full context of what somewhere looks like. So right in the very beginning part, we have all of these places to sit. McDonald's is nearby, so people will... There's not enough seating in that one. It's so busy. It's right on the border, so people will come across, see that, and bring their kids and get their kids fed, I guess, after waiting in line or whatever. There's a Royal supermarket right here by the border as well. Different directions you can go. We're going to be walking down this way right here, Hortelaos. You'll see a lot of different shops in this area as well. And yep, that's the border right there. Got some bakeries, pharmacies for babies, stuff for babies. That's a restaurant. Okay, so here's like a little venue for water. So fill that up. Okay. Little fruit place. Furniture. More water. Then there's stuff on that side too, so that's the Royal supermarket side. Little Vespa scooter. Another street kind of has a little bit of a curvature to it. That's the name of it. Here it is, Hortelaos. And then right over there would be the border. So you can see some of those hotels straight that way. That's all part of Zhuhai. Let's go across. There's a little restaurant right in here. There's also a nice little yellow shop right there in yellow. Give some context to everything, including the apartments up above. Okay, so let's keep on going down. Here's that restaurant. Okay, so we're gonna follow this. It has a slight curvature to it, and we're not too far from this area called Hippodromo. So there's streets that used to follow a racetrack. So I think that's why there's this curvature. Could also be the geography as well, but I think it's because everything's curved slightly because of the racetrack in the past. Okay, so let me see here. Check out all these tall buildings everywhere. And I think I'm gonna walk on this side. Of our street. Okay. I'm gonna also show you this side in here for a second. So that right over there, the border is right over there, and you see some cranes are doing some work, and then Zhuhai trying to be on the other side of those cranes. So we're basically like kind of walking along the border here. Let's see Vietnam. Maybe a Vietnamese restaurant coming up. Always good to see Vietnamese food. Okay. So this looks like we got like more mechanic kind of stuff in this area. That one's more scooters and motorcycles. And let me see. We're gonna be doing a cross street right here. We're still on our Hortelaos. They have some basketball over there. Alameda de Tranquilidad. So we got basketball on that side. It's like a pink court over there too. And then this one is a blue court. And that's on this Alameda de Tranquilidad. And we'll go a little bit further. I think I'm not sure how far down our street goes. We'll find out in a moment. So that's that basketball, so it's just like one court right there. And then it's like a kind of a more of a park down on that side. This is where we're just coming from. And that's the pink basketball court over there. There's a shrine at the base of that. It looks like our street continues, so we can still see Hortelaos. And then you can see these kind of white buildings. They look like they've been recently cleaned. I've kind of always thought that if Macau painted more of the grays and drab colors, the whole city would be so beautiful. I like the architecture here a lot. There's so much density. With some mandatory paint. It would be amazing. There's another court in there. It looks like a basketball court of some kind, or just a park for that community maybe. Okay. We've been walking down our street. I guess in the past when I filmed it for 2 other times. If you see the last time, at the end of the video, I always have the last time I was on the same streets. So I have been here twice before. I looked at it a little while ago, and there, I don't think I walked the whole thing before. Special, there's like a psychopedagogical support special education center right there. Okay, we'll keep on going down. Not 100% sure if our street will end in this corner or it keeps going. You'll probably know sooner than me because you'll guess by the size of the video. Okay. So now we're on one of these Hippodromo streets. So that right there says Rua Direito de Hippodromo, and then that is marks one of the sides of the previous racetrack. And our street continues. So it still continues. This is Hortelaos. Let me just kind of show you the street signs real quick. So this is the one to the racetrack, the Direito Hippodromo. And then this one is the one that we're on, Hortelaos. Kind of cool looking buildings. I also just want to capture this because it's also kind of interesting to capture it from this side as well. All those buildings like that. Okay, so Hortelaos. Okay, really, really cool. We keep on walking down our street. So let's see this beautiful building, see, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's like a little area called Ion Home straight that way. There's a park right in that area. And I think this curvature is because of the racetrack. Yeah, this street is longer than whatever I filmed before. So this is actually probably the first time that I filmed it from end to end. Kind of interesting, that little corridor. Might be better to be on the other side of these motorcycles if I can get over there. There we go. So yeah, this is what it looks like on this side. They're getting ready for Chinese New Year. It's about a week and a half away or so, something like that. It's February as I filmed this. There's the Ion Home Park down that way. And we're going to keep on going all the way down to the end of our street. Hortelaos. Pretty sure it's going to end down here at this end of this block. I'm trying to make an effort to like film the whole streets. There was a time period where I would just film a part of it and then that would be enough. But now I kind of feel like I'm like really documenting the city, exactly what it looks like, because it'll all change and then people can look at it in the future and see. Okay. So there's our street sign. I'm pretty sure that that's a different street down that way. So that's Hortelaos. And we'll come put an end to this picture.